Welcome back to Fast Money Marion, where we focus on leveling up, making money, and changing our lives. I was tired of living paycheck to paycheck. Every day felt exactly the same. I worked hard, but my life never changed.
Wow, this is so inspiring. I could totally do this.
I watch people online making money from
I
laptops.
should really look into remote work.
So I started searching for a skill that could change my future. That's when I discovered web development.
Okay, so print out pup's text. Now, let's look at the if statement.
At first, I understood absolutely
I see.
nothing.
If x is greater than 5.
I started with HTML. And seeing my first web page felt amazing.
Oh, another syntax error. Why won't this work? Oh, a missing parenthesis. How did I miss that? Okay, let's check the logic
Then I
again.
learned CSS.
Yes, it finally
to make
runs.
websites
I knew
look
I
better.
could do it.
But coding quickly became frustrating. Sometimes one tiny mistake broke everything.
Okay, this error doesn't make sense. I've checked everything. Ugh, a syntax issue. Right there. How did I miss? Yes, the variable
There
split.
were nights
All right,
I
let's
wanted
test
to
this
quit.
again.
But I realized confusion is part of learning. So I built a daily learning routine.
Hey, come out! The party started!
Almost done with this code. Dude, get out here now!
I sacrificed comfort to build a better future.
Ugh, another syntax error? I can't keep up. Wait, what does this
Then I
even
started
mean?
learning JavaScript.
I need a break. My brain is fried.
And honestly, it felt overwhelming.
Ugh, another successful dev post. Deployed an AI app? Must be nice. 10K followers? I'm still at 200.
So I started
Sigh.
building small projects
Why can't that
every
be me?
day.
I don't know if this is the right approach, but giving up isn't an option. I'll just keep going. Refactor,
Slowly,
test,
I
and push through the
started getting
doubt.
better.
Okay, let's try this JavaScript tutorial.
Sometimes I compare myself to other developers
Now to
online.
test the function. It worked. Hello world. Next, the MDN docs. Yes, I just launched my first real website. I've been learning to code for months. This is
But I
huge.
kept reminding
Let me show you.
myself,
See, the homepage is live.
Everybody starts somewhere.
Everything works. I'm so excited to keep building. I've taught myself to code, and I'm building something awesome. Focus is key. Breaking problems down makes it all click.
I
Yes,
stopped learning
the data's
randomly
loading.
and followed
This
a
feels
roadmap.
great.
Most of what I learned came from free resources online.
Okay, the homepage redesign is live. Just pushing the final updates
Then
now.
I built my first
Looks good.
real website
Now for the
alone.
contact form integration. Hi, Sarah. The site updates are complete. You can review them now.
That's when I finally believed I could do this. I started imagining a completely different future. A future where my skills could create income online.
The future of web development is so exciting. I feel with new technologies, we can build solutions that truly make a
This
difference.
journey taught me that
I'm motivated to
consistency
learn and create a
changes
better
lives.
tomorrow.
I'm still learning, but I'm no longer stuck. And maybe web development could change your life too. Even after exhausting shifts, I kept learning.
This is taking forever. Just a few more hours to go.
Most nights ended with me coding for hours. I watched tutorials almost every single day. I wrote down everything I learned. Every mistake taught me something valuable.
I've taught myself to code. Every day, I push my
Little
limits.
by little, my skills improved.
This is tough, but I'm not stopping now.
Then I discovered React.
All right, let's get this application sent. Fingers crossed for
And
this
suddenly, I felt like a beginner.
one. Okay, that's one down. Time for a break.
But this time, I refused to quit.
Another rejection. Figures. Why do I even bother?
I started building my
Okay,
own
almost there.
portfolio website.
That's not right. Yes, that should work.
Then I started
Oh, a new
looking for
email.
freelance
Could this be
opportunities.
it? Yes, it's the client. They want to collaborate. This is amazing. I need to reply right away. This is going to be great. This is coming together nicely. All right, let's test this function.
At first, I faced rejection.
Perfect. It works. Time to commit.
But I kept showing up every day. Then one day, I got my first client message.
Finally, it's done. The site is live and looking great. Okay, that should fix the responsive grid. Now to check that email from the
That
client.
moment changed my confidence completely.
Perfect. They like the updates. Time to push.
Now I dream much bigger than survival.
Building better habits starts with reading.
For the first time,
Then apply knowledge
I
through
saw
focused
real
practice.
progress.
Consistency in learning drives self-improvement. This is the path to growth.
I realized a skill could give me freedom. I stopped thinking only about surviving. My mindset slowly started changing.
Break.
Even when I was tired, I kept
Okay, I've
going.
reviewed the mockups. I'll push the updates to the dev branch now. Great, the changes are live. Let me know if you see any issues.
Okay, step 1, outline the logic. Next, implement the validation.
I started visualizing
Looks
the life
good. Now
I
to test
wanted.
it.
Web development made me believe I could do more. I'm still learning, but I know my life is changing. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to Fast Money Marion for more content about making money, learning skills, and building a better future. I'll see you in the next video.